Be ready. Start. It will therefore be well for the Honorable Minister to take from the very beginning all necessary steps to prevent traders from exploiting the consumer's store. A directive should be sent round right now and sufficient publicity given to it so that the ignorant masses may not be asked to pay more than the correct prices store. The prices are already soaring high at the ceiling level and effective steps should be taken to check further rise lest the whole structure of economy should be shaken to the core store. In addition to the fair price shops for food grains, there should be fair price shops for other articles of merchandise also, like cloth, etc., so as to stabilize prices and have them pegged at a reasonable level. Stanza. It should, however, be noted that when taxation proposals are looked at in the context of the second 5-year plan, they relate a different story. It is found that they are intended to impose an austere living on the people so as to save more for the plan store. It is said that excise duties have been directed towards limiting consumption of the lower middle classes and the masses more as a measure to check inflation rather than for the purpose of augmenting revenue. Stanza. The Honorable Minister once stated that the duty on sugar had been deliberately raised because he wanted consumption to go down or rather not to increase. Stop. He said, I would like to freeze it at more or less the present level unless it be that as income goes up in certain sectors, they want to pay the price store. The finance minister's anxiety to freeze the consumption in the absence of sufficient quantities of consumer goods to go round that section of the people whose purchasing power is increasing as a result of the plan outlay of about rupees 900 crores a year is quite understandable. Stop. Our administrative machinery is not sufficiently competent and efficient for complete control, and unless the production of consumer goods is commensurate with the investment in the country, the inflationary pressure will persist and prices will rise. Stop. When the mills and factories which are being established in the earlier years of the plan go into production, there will be plenty of consumer goods to absorb the surplus money in the hands of the people, and the need of price control by means of the imposition of excise duties will come to an end. Stop. It is hoped that the minister will reduce these duties at that time. Stop. As for the implementation of the plan, nothing extraordinary had happened to make us feel nervous about the fulfillment of the targets. Full stop. Over.